Watch where you're going. Careful, I do it. There you go. Ava did have pants. She got spaghetti all over them. And the cowboy boots, those are from Grandma. So thank you, Grandma. And the sunglasses were $1, can you tell?